don't do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me in that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a protective hairstyle. Without further ado, let's get to it. Today I have another Bun&Bang unit, and this is from a company from Amazon by the name of Bun&Bang, and this is a two-piece unit. The bang has 3 clips, so you hook on the clips, and once you secure it to your hair, you close it. And the bun has 2 combs, one in the front and one in the back. I'll go right in and secure the bang by opening the clips and secure it under my hair. Then I'll close them. Guys, you don't have to be a professional to install this hairstyle. This is something you can achieve under 5 minutes. Yes. Today I'm rocking another pair of earrings from Monet Dior Couture, guys. So I'll leave the link in the description down below and also the cards above. If you're interested, you can go and check our website out, you all. You already know. Now I'll attach the bun with the 2 combs, and guys, if you attach the bun with the 2 combs and it's not secured, you can always go ahead and add some bobby pins to make sure it is not moving on your head, you all. For us, coming true, we build a space for me and you, so the things that I will vow will mean everything to me. I'm ready to be a home for you. I'm ready to raise all my dreams and hopes with you. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream. There you have it, you all, a hairstyle you can create under 5 minutes. The link to this bang and bun is in the description down below. If you're interested, guys, go and check it out. And don't forget, guys, to go and check Monet Dior Couture website out if you like these cute earrings. Thank you for watching, and you know I do appreciate you all for watching. Until next time, bye. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hand.